So in this video, you'll be learning how to call out numbers using the place value pocket. One thing, or the first thing you need to note, is that numbers usually come in groups of threes. So I have unit, tens, hundred. That's why I have a space here, which would be your comma when you're writing in your note. Thousand, tens, thousands, 100,000. This space would be a comma in your note. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Then after the decimal point, you have tenth, hundred, and thousand. And let's form a 3-digit number, starting with 100, tens, and units. Can you call this number out? It is 359. What is the place value of 9 here? Unit. The place value of 5, tens, and the place value of 300. Okay, now we're going to move on to the thousand place. In the thousand place, let me form another number here. Hundred, tens, and units, you have to consider the surnames. The surname of thousand is thousands. So if I ask you to call this number out, can you call it out? This is 167. Now his surname is what? Thousand. So if I were to put these two side by side, I would have 167. His surname is 1,359. In this case, the place value of 7 is 1,000. Place value of 6 is 10,000, and the place value of 1 is 100,000. Let's move on to the millions. Just like the thousands, their surname is thousands. For the millions, their surname is what? Millions. Good. So I'm going to form another number. Can you call this 3-digit number out? 850. Now I'm going to put all of them side by side. Remember to take note of their surnames. This is 850. His surname is million. 167. His surname is thousand. 359. For these people, you don't take note of. They don't have surnames. Alright. So one thing you need to note is also that after every 100, you have 100 and. So for instance, we have 850, 167, 359. Now let's call this number out without me showing you the surname. 850 million 167,359. Then we move on to the decimal place. For the decimal place, I'm going to put some numbers in here. One thing you need to take note of is in decimal numbers is any number after the decimal point, you call it individually. So you won't say 703. You would say 0.703. And the place value of 7 is 10th. Place value of 0 is 100th. Place value of 3 is 1000. Now let's call these numbers out together. You already know this is 850 million 167,359.703. Now I'm going to make a totally different number, and you're going to attempt to call that number out. Attempt calling this number out together. If you were to call this three-digit number out, it would be what? 876, isn't it? Calling this out, it would be what? 5. Calling this out, it would be 47. Then 0.353. Now let's call the numbers out together. I have 876,005,047.353.